the decision taken on the 15th of August, Amrit Mahotsav, by the Gujarat government of giving remission, giving a kind of pardon to the 11 convicts of gang rape, rape and murder came as a shock to this country. Some new facts have emerged, therefore new questions have also emerged. Fact number one, the Gujarat government claims that this remission was granted based on the orders of the Honorable Supreme Court. But the fact is that the Honorable Supreme Court had directed the Gujarat government to dispose this matter off within 3 months. The Honorable Supreme Court had not directed the Gujarat government to grant them this remission. So this misleading statement should not be made by the Gujarat government. Gujarat government also claims that the decision to grant remission was based on the policy of 1992 and not the MHA guidelines of 2014. No one knows about the 1992 policy because you don't find it on the website of Gujarat government. And as per the RTI Act, such policies must be there on the website of the government. But you will not find the 1992 policy on the website of the Gujarat government. The 2014 guidelines of MHA clearly stipulate that those convicts who are convicted of rape, gang rape or murder or such heinous crimes cannot be granted remission, cannot be given pardon. And the shocking new fact that has emerged in this is that the so-called policy of 1992 was abrogated, was removed, was done away with by the Gujarat government on 8th of May 2013 when Mr. Narendra Modi was the Chief Minister of Gujarat. We'll share that government order with you. Mr. Punia will share that order with you. Another fact is that if a crime is investigated by a central agency, state government cannot, Section 345 CRPC stipulates, binds the state government to take concurrence of the central government before giving any such remission. So we demand from the Prime Minister, from the Home Minister, we demand an answer to this very, very critical question, whether the Gujarat government had taken your concurrence before giving remission to these 11 convicts of rape and gang rape and murder. If yes, well, the answer is for everyone to see. That all those hollow words which the Prime Minister used from the Red Fort on Amrit Mahotsav, 15th of August, 2 days ago, were nothing but hollow. And if permission was not taken from the central government, we demand to know what is the action you will take against your BJP government of Gujarat. We also want to know from the Chief Minister of Gujarat, please share with the people of India who were the members of the Jail Advisory Committee, which first recommended remission for these 11 convicts. We also want to know from the Chief Minister of Gujarat whether this government order dated 8th May 2013, which did away with 1992 policy, whether this government order was shared with the Honorable Supreme Court, whether the Supreme Court is aware of this government order of Gujarat. So if the 1992 policy does not exist, how can that policy be used and invoked by the Gujarat government to give remission to these 11 convicts of rape, murder and gang rape? Because as per the 2014 MHA guidelines, all those accused of rape, gang rape and murder and any such heinous crimes are ineligible for remission by any government. We also want to know from all of us, each one of us, from the media, from the society, why is there a stunning, shocking, loud silence when it comes to Bilkis Bano's criminals who raped, defiled, killed children, raped women? They are convicted of rape, and murder? Why are we silent as a society? Why are we quiet as media? Because if we don't ask this question to each other now, our society will stink and the entire world will witness this stench. It is high time that we question ourselves, our silence, our selective outrage. We were proud of this country when the country spoke in one voice against the rapists of Nirbhaya and forced the government to bring in tough laws. But we are ashamed of the silence of some section, a large section of the media, a large section of the opposition space also. We owe it to each other. We owe these questions to each other. If we do not ask these questions today, there will be no tomorrow for this country.